Hello, I'm going to show you the option for creating Flippity activities without a spreadsheet. So if you're comfortable with spreadsheets, I do recommend you create using one. There are a lot more games and activities you can do with Flippity if you use a spreadsheet. You can see several rows. And I do have a video guiding you on how to follow those instructions. However, if you're in a hurry or if you're really not comfortable with the spreadsheet idea, click on Skip the Spreadsheet and you can see a collection of games and activities that do not require you to use a spreadsheet. What you do need to do though is you need to keep a list of the words that you're going to use so that if you want to do these activities later, you can put those words back in and you can play the games again. Now, you could use words in English, you could use words in Hebrew, you can also use pictures. So if you wanted to do a picture, just like I show in the other video, you would have to do a search. Okay, let's put matzah. These would have to be images accessible online. So here is a picture of matzah. Right click on the picture to get the image address. And then I'm hitting enter to create a new line. See, you have to separate the terms with commas or line breaks. So I hit enter and I have a new line with that image. I'm going to hit enter again and put one more image just to make sure this is very clear. I put shofar. Here's a boy blowing the shofar. Again, I'm right clicking so that I can copy the image address. You don't want this address. You need an address that has .jpg, .png, .gif, one of those extensions that indicates that this is a picture. So you see I had to hit enter to start a new line break, even though I would have started on a new line anyway. And then it would allow me to put in a new picture. So, and just for fun to show, I'll make sure to put in a couple Hebrew words as well. I use this gatetohome.com Hebrew keyboard. And I'm selecting the word bigadim, clothes. And I'll select one more. These are things I've typed and used before. Okay, so now we've got a bunch of sample words in English and Hebrew. So we can do, let's try the randomizer wheel so that you can roll through. You could use this for, click on the arrow here, you could use this, put people's names in it. You could put words that kids have to read. So you can see there are pictures and there's Hebrew, even though we're not landing on any of that. Oh, there we go. Let's just move over here. So you can see the Hebrew words. Students, if they roll on that, maybe they have to read it. If they select a picture, maybe they have to tell you what's in the picture or what holiday it's associated with. Okay, let's look at other examples. How about the random name picker? Oh, that's actually a big mess. That doesn't work with the image. And these things are a little too long, but this is usually used with students' names, and then that's how you determine which student is going to answer the question. You could put numbers here, and it could be like rolling a die. Bingo. It's automatically directing me to print the bingo board. And it's giving me 20 bingo boards that all have the images and pictures in different places. Just so you know, you need 24, or if you have a free space, you need at least 24 words for the bingo game. But here we can see both images and Hebrew show up just fine. Now the thing with the matching game is that when you use this without the spreadsheet, you're matching the exact same word. So it'll have to say France in France, or it'll be a picture of a shofar, or matzah and another picture of matzah. It's not very creative. If you're willing to venture into the spreadsheets, you could actually have one picture of matzah and it could be matched to the word Pesach in English or in Hebrew. So it's worth it to learn how to use the spreadsheets if you're comfortable doing that.